Good evening, everyone. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay. After so many days, so many months, again I came to the ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ on the last year 2025 improvement exam question paper ಅಲ್ಲಿ we can going to explain the key answer. You can go through it. 2025 improvement exam from the 24 and 25 in the ICSE also they introduced the improvement exam. Okay, that in that the first question section A that the first is MCQ as we know. So I'm going to explain with the first question: which of the following string methods result in Boolean data type? As we know, trim means it's going to remove the white space before the string and after the string, not between the string. And the equals, and the answer already equals. Okay, ನಾನು already key answer generate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, but we can discuss why not trim, why not replace, why not concat. Replace ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, we are replacing the one character with another character. The return type is what is that string only, and concat we are adding the two string. The equals only, the return type is Boolean. Another one is there. What is that compared to? The compared to also both are same, equals and compared to, but the return type is integer in the compared to, right? Based on the ASCII, that is lexicographically. And the second one is which construct can be used to get only one of the required ice cream. So he has given 4 ice cream, right? Okay, now you want to take, as we know, the switch case 1, case 2, case 3, preferably we go for only one. So then we go for the switch. While is the loop, it's going to iterate. Do while is also loop, and for is also loop iteration. Only go for one. It is a switch construct. This is the easiest question. And question number 3: which statement is correct for the method prototype? So what is the meaning of method prototype? So as we know, method prototype means it's the first line in the method definition. So it contains return type followed by the method name, and in the bracket we have arguments or parameters. Which type of parameter is located in the method definition? As we know, it is a formal parameter. The method call, that is actual, right? So first one, check does not return any value. Here void ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿದೆ return type is integer. The first question is not correct. Second one is check as return type is integer, that is also correct. Check method has two actual parameter. If it is the two formal parameter, that is correct. Here he has given the two actual parameter, right? And check is a constructor. He has not given the class name. So the correct option is check as return type integer, right? Next we can go to the question number 4. The method which return as we know, in the mathematical library function, all the method having the return type is double except mat.round. Round is going to round off the value to the double to the integer, nearest integer, right? Another one is the rint. Both are same function, but in the rint the value is going to nearest decimal value only. Example 2.6 means it will go to the 3.0, whereas mat.round 2.6 is 3, not 3.0, right? Next we move to the what is the output of the following statement monopoly. He has given, as we know, string start, sorry, index start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 8 characters. What is the length of the string? 8. So he has given not index of, last index of. So you're going to take how many words are present in that? There are 3 words. In that position is 1, 3, 5. So here you're going to take the last index. So the position is, or the last index is 5, right? Is also easiest question. This is somehow tricky one. In the 9th standard, I think everyone knows the implicit and explicit conversion. This is the question related to the typecast is nothing but it's an explicit conversion. So which data type you are going to convert to which data type, that you are going to type. So he has to financial data identify the correct syntax to hint and double value. The input is the form of value INR, the double, that you're going to convert to integer amount. And as we know, the syntax, the explicit, you're going to be the bracket. The option C and D are look same, but syntax is saying that which data type you're going to convert, that you're going to get in the parenthesis, right? Next is what is the output of the snippet? Yeah, live minus lives and the first the line number 2 is line minus, that is a post in decrement. So the what is mean the post and pre means before the execution only the value is going to decrement. So here the post means it will remain same. The next after the execution it is going to change. So here given the print output comes in same line 5 and 4. Initial value is 5. After the execution it will become 4. So what will be the output of the following statement? So he has given the string s is equal to Java programming and he has not given the space. Yes, substring of 4 comma 11. As we know, the index start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the substring, you should know that if he has given the starting index and last index, you are going to include the starting index and you are going to exclude the last index. So it start from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up to program, not double M, M. So here he has given, I've taken right. Then that value is going to uppercase. That will become program. So you must know that in Talel Irbek another. If it's only one string, sorry, starting index, it is going to take the last value. If it is the first index and last, it include the first index and it exclude the last index. Okay. Which of the following access specifier will make only within class? As we know, public means anywhere in the class. Private means that is within the block or which one. Private means wherever the inheritance, then you go for protected. What will be the output of the Java? This question is somehow most of people doing that. That is a tricky question. He has given in the bracket only, sorry, semicolon only, semicolon. It is a single quote. Character is single quote, right? And he has given. He's going to check that is a slash n is a letter. That is a escape sequence, right? And it is not a digit also. So what is the output? As we know, is the return type is that the string method start from is means return type always boolean, either true or false. So slash n is not a letter and it is not a digit. So the answer is false. Which of the following is not a type of token in the Java? As we know, token means this is the smallest element in the Java program. So what are the types? Starting from literals. Next we have variables, operator, punctuator, separators. So many are there keywords, character, result words, and identifiers. Here the method is not a token. Statement given to me is public void accept. Okay. Now that is the method definition. That is known as first line is method prototype, right? This is the question. So Boolean flag is the initial value taken false. So which statement is going to execute? If the flag value is true, it's going to it will going to print the true. Else it is going to print system.println false only because I declared as a false. So what is the output? False. Identify the static method from this given. So a length it is not it is a non-static mind here, and the next line is also non-static. String also non-static. Only static method is letter. It is related to the character. Okay. That one you can concentrate. 24 in the 25 in the this type of question they are asking in the method chapter. Okay. Here string what is this? A is equal to oh, he has given the 5 string. Length is 5, right? Yeah. Rohini, Rajashri, Raju, Rehan, and Rebecca. So he has taken, as we know, string start from 7. And they start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that A of 2 is Raju. In that substring 2, Raju index start from 0, 1, 2, 2 in the N. The last index he has not given, so it is the output is G. Don't confuse index start from 1, 2, sorry, 1 in the 0, 1, 2. In that substring is G, right? Mat.seal minus 8.8. So it is not a plus, it is a negative. Minus 8.8 means the seal value is minus 8. If it is a capital means it will become 9.0. That is a minus 8.0. And round means it is going to convert the decimal value to the integer. So that will become minus 8. Which of the following there was 100? Okay. So as we know, 3 into 3 means index start from 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2 number of rows, 0, 1, 2 number of columns. So at the last element, we are going to do where which position? 2, comma 2. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. 202122. What is the last position? That is 2 and 2. That value are going to initialize 0. Sorry, 100. Don't confuse length and the index. Got it? And the next question is related to the two-dimensional array. Where is the hard disk is located? Yeah. The index is 0, 1. It is located at the 1. And the column number is 0, right? That is the easy question. How many times for loop is going to execute? Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, up to 0. Because he has given like greater than or equal to 0. So that is 11 times. Up to 0, up to 1 it is 10. Next it is 0. So the answer becomes 11, right? 11 times it is going to run. Consider children jumper to sum of first natural numbers. So as we know, any program initialization, what is the initialization int sum is equal to 0 and I statement number 3. And next is going to loop the loop for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10. So 3 1, any option is the 3 1, yeah, 3 1 4 2, only one option. So that is going to finish. So write a Java expression for the following: x to the power of 10 and y to the power of 10. X power means, as we know, mat dot power x comma 10 and mat dot power y comma 10. And you are going to use the semicolon. That is very, very important. Semicolon to end the statement in the Java, right? Evaluate the expression y is equal to 4. B is equal to minus minus y plus y minus minus and y. So what is the first one is pre-decrement and next is post-decrement, and there is no increment or decrement. So what is the initial value of y? 3. 4, 4, 4. 4 become pre-decrement means it will become 3. After the execution it will become 3. After that execution it will become 2, right? So 3 plus 3 into 2. Here, so plus and star is there. Which operator is going to execute first? As we know, the precedence star is first. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Some other mistake is 3 plus 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 into 2, 2 is 12. That is wrong. As we know the precedence, right? If both are same precedence, then you go for associative, either left to right, got it? Or right to left. That is also some operators. Convert the following switch case into if else if. Yeah, this is some more. Okay, this is the trickiest question. He has given the case T, capital T you ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, small t ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, teacher again print ಆಗಬೇಕು, break, default, student. Here, sir, ಏನು system order print ಅನ್ನು T ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ, capital T means the switch, as we know, we are not using the break means output ಕೊಡೋದು next line, right? So both either capital T, small t ಎರಡೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು teacher ಬರುತ್ತೆ, else the default case is student. That's what I have taken. If x is, what is the input you're passing is switch x, right? X is equal to capital T or small t, that is a teacher, else student. Or else you can give x is equal to t if, and system out dot println and teacher. If else if x is equal to small t system, and I missed here another one statement you can write. If x is equal to t, output statement system out println teacher. Then again else if x is equal to small t teacher, else both are same. This is also okay or this is also okay. Write the output of the following: a is equal to 1, a less than 10. It is going to print a modulus 2 is equal to 0, and here use the continue. What is the meaning of continue? That is a jump statement. If the condition is true, it will skip, right? Keep on. What is the value of a? 1 modulus 2 is equal to 0. Not true, not true, right? So it will print 1. Next, what is the value of a? Become a plus plus 2. 2 modulus 2 is 0. So it is going to skip the even numbers and it is going to the odd numbers up to 10. 1, 3, 7, 5, 9. If here a modulus 2 is equal to 1 means it is going to skip the odd number, it is going to print the even number. That is the logic. If they are the continue. Continue means another condition is true, it skip. Break means it completely out of the loop. Whereas continue, it skip the some part of the loop, again it is going to continue. The name already is there. So the example below class name is cat is given variables and methods. And he has already saying that cat is a class name and he has given the name. Meow, eat and play, and he has given the parenthesis. As we know, the Java, all the methods are with the parenthesis, right? So meow, eat and play are methods. And the cat is class name and the name is, that is the variable, right? Yes, given one of the output, how many times it's going to print 100. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸತಿ ನೋಡ್ರೆ 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 60 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ k is equal to k minus 40, right? So 100, 60, 20 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ it should be greater than 0. How many times loop will run? 10, 60, 20 means 3 times loop. This is easiest question. Next we can go to the consider the given array and for question below. And is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 6, 7, 9, 3. So what is the size of the array? 3 into 3. It is a two-dimensional array. And what is the value of 2, 0? It is located at 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 2, 0. 2, 0 it is located is 7, right? Yeah, this one. Okay. What is the output of rose dot compared to rosa? In rose na rosa jate compare ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. So we are going to use the string function compare to means it is going to compare the two strings lexicographically by using the ASCII code, right? So R is both are same, O and O same. S compared with the J. Now the ASCII value of S minus ASCII value of J. It will come 9. You can check. Actual ASCII value of S minus ASCII value of J. Dedicated replace D with the L. Wherever the D you can replace with L. Dedicate become delicate. So and you can consider the following array. I have given the one single dimensional array, 6 elements. As we know, character. What is the type of array? That is a character array. So what is the size of character? As we know, 2 bytes. 2 into 6 element means 12 bytes. Next, what is the statement of character is digit? Is digit character 4. Okay. Index start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು element ಇದೆ 7. That is a digit. Yeah. And you see the function is digit. Yeah. ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ 4 ನ 7th ತಗೊಂಡದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಈಸ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್. ಯಾ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ 7. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? Last question. Perform and downstream name. Perform. So class name is also same and method name is also same. That is a constructor and they have given the parameter inside that. So parameter is constructor. Is passing the value. Name is same here. So X value is 95 and Y name is Xavier. So we're going to print name. Name is Xavier and M value is 95. Right here you are initializing the parameter values. And what is the second question? Name the type of constructor. Already I told. That is a parameterized constructor because the parameter are inside the constructor. If there is no parameter, that is a default constructor. I hope all the question section 1 and section 1 MCQ and 2 marks question 40 marks I have discussed, and the next class or in the next session I can go to the programs. Okay, I hope you understand. If anybody having a doubt, please you can in the doubts in the comment box. Thank you. Have a good day.